Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta Business Suite to schedule posts to Facebook and Instagram. To get started, please open Facebook. When Facebook is open, I want you to go to your business page. So when I am looking at my news feed for my account, I have some shortcuts here for my pages that I'm an administrator of. So I have moved to my business page, and at my business page, I'm going to see that I am in what's called view only, or viewing as a regular audience member or person. So what I want to do here is switch to the name of the page, Christine Hall Online, Social Media Trainer. That's the name of my page. I want to switch to that so I can start managing the page. As well, you'll notice down here in the middle underneath the banner, it says switch into Christine Hall Online, Social Media Trainers page to start managing it. So either of those buttons you can click on. I'll click on this one over here, which is the Share Now button in blue. They both will get you the same results. What'll happen is the screen will come back and you will be in management mode of this page. And you'll notice that the manage page bar or menu on the left-hand side has changed, a lot more options. And you'll see the button or option here for what's on your mind to create a new post. So what we want to do to schedule is click on the Meta Business Suite. So when you click on that Meta Business Suite, it actually opens up another window. Okay, so we have a second window appearing on the screen. And it's actually a second tab, I'll let you know. So the original over here was we were looking at our Facebook page. Here we're now into Meta Business Suite. And what you're going to do once you arrive here, you'll be looking at your main homepage. You're going to go and click on Planner. And when you click on Planner, it will show you a calendar that is set for week. And you can see the week posts that have already been published, and if there are any scheduled, we would see those here as well. So I currently do not have anything scheduled for this page, but I'm going to go ahead and schedule something for tomorrow. So you can click on whatever day you want. You can kind of click on the or hover over top of the day and you'll see the schedule option. In this case, if I hover over top of Saturday, September 28th, or pardon me, October 28th, I can see the schedule button. Here, I'm going to schedule something for Thursday. I can see the schedule button, but I will point out to you, there's always in the top right-hand corner, the create post button. Okay, so these will get you to the same spot. So I want to schedule something for tomorrow morning. So I'm going to click on schedule under the 26th, and I'm going to choose schedule post. But I want you to know with the Meta Suite, you can schedule a story into Facebook or Instagram. You can schedule a reel into Facebook or Instagram. You can also go live from here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on schedule post. It'll take a moment and the screen will pop up and say, no problem, we will schedule for you. What day and time would you like? So you can see there's a text box here where I can change the day and time to whatever I want. I also have the option of using one of their active times. So basically what happens here is Facebook has gone out and analyzed my audience, and it's based on all the data when they're online, and it says for today, in this case, the day I'm recording the video, 10:25, 7 p.m. Tomorrow, also 7 p.m. and Friday, 7 p.m. So it sounds like a lot of my audience probably are working full time, not on their computers until after dinner. Okay, so you can select one of these or you can enter the information in. So let's just say I click on the tomorrow at 7 p.m. option and then click save. That information will be saved on this next screen here. I'm going to scroll up a little bit just to show you the default setting right now is posting to Facebook. But if I click on the down arrow, I can also choose to post to Instagram. And then that'll have two checkboxes. All right. So this post is going to go to Facebook and Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead inside the text box. I'm going to type in my text. And when you're typing in text, please keep in mind that users in the online world don't like to see big bundles of text all together. So you're going to want to create lots of white space in your text. See what I'm doing here? I'm just going in and I'm creating lots of space, letting the text breathe with the content I'm putting in here. When you're posting on social media, your paragraphs should be 2 to 3 lines long maximum. And I know when you're typing and you're writing essays or doing reports or business documentation, you would maybe have 7 or 8 lines per paragraph. But in this case, we want lots of white space. Okay. So we've got our information in place, and then we're going to go up and we're going to click on add photo or add video, depending on what we're adding. So I'm going to click on add video because this particular piece has some GIFs in it. It has some objects that are moving. So let me just go grab that file that I downloaded before I began this video. And then you will see on the preview on the right hand side, the preview of everything I've been doing so far and how that's going to look when it's published. All right. And I'm going to make sure as I scroll down on the left now that it's going to the social media channels I want, that it picked up the right object, or in this case video, but it could be a post, a graphic, an image, picture. Got my call to action included in everything here, my hook, my content, my call to action. And then I am going to go down and click on next. And when I click on next, it's just going to make sure that everything is correct. And I see that the 26th, but you know what? I think I'm going to put that in the morning. And then Instagram, I'll change that as well to go off in the morning. And once I have the date and time set up, I can click the schedule button. And then it'll ask me, or it'll indicate to me that it is getting ready to post it. It'll be finished when the processing is done. I just click the done button. When I click the done button, I will then see my post. So I scheduled this for tomorrow at 9 a.m. is there. Now, sometimes one or the other, the Instagram or the Facebook icon doesn't appear. Just give it a minute or go up and hit your refresh button. When you hit your refresh button, then you will be able to see both of the icons for Facebook and Instagram appear on the screen. If you need to make any changes to content, the attachments, or the timing, you can just click on it and then locate the ... beside the name of the page. And then you'll be able to see the edit option for editing the content. You'll be able to see the date. You'll be able to change the date here, or if you want to delete it altogether, you can just move it to trash. So those are the options for editing. Again, you're just going to click on it, and then you're going to look for the ... And then when that appears, you can see the options. They look a little bit different if you're editing inside the Instagram or editing inside the Facebook post. If you had it scheduled and you decide, nope, you want to publish it now, then you can just hit the publish now button. For now, I will just close that and leave those two set up to go off tomorrow in my on my Facebook page and my Instagram account. So I hope this helped you with understanding that you can use Facebook Business Meta Suite to schedule your Facebook and Instagram free of charge. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.